Oh, g'day YouTubers. This is Jeff from G B Nomads. This is just an extended version of our train trip that we shown on our recent video. We just thought the train buffs might like it. So anyway, without further ado, I'll just leave it to you. It's pretty much uninterrupted of all the footage that we have of the train trip.
There we go. Historical carriages that take us up to the top.
You will shortly. You can answer just about any question that you might have about your trip today. I'd also like to introduce the man in charge of our train today, that is our conductor, Jim Pemberton, being assisted by a dotted line. We will be crossing over the border, going over the loop of the track, and coming back down on the very same set of tracks. Since you will be entering Canada briefly, you do not require a passport only because nobody will be getting off the train at any point during this tour. So that's how we get away with not requiring a passport. But if you were wondering which side is the better side to sit on, the answer to your question is yes. Both sides are good, and you will get to see both sides of the train today. You see one on the way out the side and one you saw on the other side.
Gosh, girls, we're excited about this. What an exciting train ride we're on today. Aren't we, Archie? Yes, we are. How you feeling, mate? All right? Yeah, cool. Train track up there, you can see in between the gap there, you can see the bridge.
We'll be going.
More sturdy there. The line down there below, you can see there's a bridge there. That's where we come up from. And then we're up to this level here. It's yeah. Here we go. Here we go, girl. Here we go, boys and girls. I'm going to go home and make a train set like this. Hey? Oh, there's a train right up there. See, right up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a train right going between that little valley. So you can imagine when they built this line in 1891. All these poor buggers coming up here to mine gold. We come, turn around, do like a big loop, and we come back down this track here. This is where looks like we loop around now. Do a 180, basically a 180-degree turn in this huge loop. Over the new bridge, there's the old bridge. So down the bottom there you can see the water, which is where Skagway roughly is, and then you can also see the line down, the railway line where it goes down lower. And we'll be passing through there again, probably another 20 minutes or so. On the other side, coming on the hill on the right hand side, you can see a road. I think that's like the highway.
Really shit view of that going up.
So just across on the other side there, you can see the Bridal Falls. Geez, there's water's hammering down there too. Beautiful. So that little cross down there is where 2 people got killed, as well as their donkeys, from a boulder that was rolled down and killed them in the 1899. Skagway Valley. Here he comes. Tyler, he did all the commentary during the train trip. Brilliant job.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Tyler. I was on the microphone. I just want to thank everyone for taking the train with us. If you had any last minute questions, I can answer those. If not, just thanks again. I hope everyone enjoyed the trip today.
Thank you, Tyler.
Thank you, that was
So
great,
much.
fantastic.
You did a really good job.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
So here's the train that we're on, going up to White Pass, and we're just going to go for a walk. There's Margaret and Rangina. We're just going for a walk into Skagway itself. So Rangina and Margaret are just checking out this contraption here. It's basically a train engine, and on the front of it is a huge snow plough. So when they used to clear the line in the falls, this is what they used, and it did quite a good job. I'll just come around to the side. So this was actually a snow plough.
That concludes our extended White Pass train journey. In our next video, we travel to Glacier Bay and then down to Ketchikan on the Zaandam. So join us next time. Please like and subscribe.